Let's start this video off with a question. What is the number one thing you want in a motorhome? When you're looking for it, what is the deciding factor? Floor plan, right? You want the perfect floor plan, one that is super. And we got it for you in this Super C. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the all-new 2024 Magnitude AX29. So much goodness in here. I love this floor plan for a number of different reasons. Well, first of all, you're gonna have seatbelts and seating for four. It comes in at 30 feet, 8 inches in length. So it's gonna be the shortest Magnitude of the bunch, and it's awesome from front to back. So let's start inside because this floor plan is fantastic. So we'll start here with our Dream Dinette. I could go on and talk about these dinettes all day because this is one of my favorite seating options just because of the versatility here, right? So you have your family of four guests, whatever it is, whoever you travel with, you're sitting here and you're eating or you're playing a game or you're just hanging out. Cup holders for the ride, you got wireless charging in there. This is a full wall slide on this, so this is gonna give you a lot of room when this is open up. You got a little bit of storage down below here on each side. This makes into a bed. You just pull the handle and you push that down, and now you have a nice, comfortable sleeping area. Child safety tether as well. This key is a magic key, and we'll show you what that does in just a minute. More sleeping right up here in the overcab bunk. 500-pound capacity on this. This is huge. You got the power sky view shade up there. Hopefully when you're camping, the skies are a little bluer than what you're seeing out there right now, but we know when you're camping, sometimes the days just stink, right? They're horrible. And you're like, what am I gonna do? Lots to do in here, plenty to do in here, and we'll get to all of that stuff. There's storage up here as well if you want to use it for that. Cup holders up over here. You have little lights you can turn on right up there with the press of a button. Then down below, this is the updated Ford chassis. This thing is so awesome. I love this, right? So you're gonna have a different look up here, kind of falling in line more with what Ford is putting in the rest of their truck lineup. This is a Super Duty F550. You have a trailer brake controller. This is a 4x4, by the way. On your Sync 4 system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, load up your favorite RV-specific navigation app. It'll load up right there. You have a diesel exhaust brake, your traction control button. You have drive modes on this 10-speed transmission. And Ford actually upped the boost on this, and they did some really cool things to make this a better driving machine for you. What you get now is 330 horsepower, 950 pound-feet of torque, a 10-speed transmission, true 10,000-pound hitch. You have a 400-watt outlet there, auxiliary switches up front, real nice driving machine. What's great about driving a Class C, even a Super C, is it feels at home, right? So it feels like you're behind your car because it's just a very familiar layout. These things are just great to drive in with the 4x4. This is going to take and get you, it's going to give you the traction that you need. Now, this isn't an off-road vehicle. You're not going to go mudding this. Absolutely not. No. But if you are on a ski trip or you're in inclement weather or you just want additional traction, this has got 4x4 for you. Over into our campside kitchen, flip-up countertop extension, this nice roll-out cover. Love the countertops in here. Single burner induction cooktop, 2 gas burners over here, microwave, convection microwave right up here. A lot of presets on it for you, so you're good to go. Cook whatever you need. Tons of storage up here from cabinets up above. You have cabinets down below. A lot of room in here. Large closet over here, right? So you can use this as a shoe rack in the back, whatever. And then secret storage right there. Look at that little hidden bay. You can go ahead and throw whatever you need in there. And you shut that up and nobody knows. This is gonna be the ladder for your bunk there. You got a number of drawers down below. And then back into this area that I love. Oh, that's your residential refrigerator, by the way. Now check this area out. This is what I love about this floor plan is this whole setup here. So we have a lot of storage because we know storage is important when you're traveling. Your TV is here. You have a fireplace. You're over here on the sofa, loving life in your AX29. That's what you do when you're on the road. You love the life. You love life. And then you're like, oh, I gotta sleep. I'm tired. and you're deciding, you know what, I'm gonna make up the bed tonight. You don't really have to make the bed. You just have to push a button. Thank you very much, Tom. You got to fold these things down, and then there's the magic key I was talking about on the wall. Look at this. Folds right down. Woo! Murphy bedtime. So you got your pillows here. We like to play race the pillows. You flip those over. Nice little extension back there to put those on. Lights, speakers, storage, comfortable sleeping, and then in the morning, you know what? I am not making up my Star Wars sheets. I'm just gonna make the bed, press the button, away it goes. And you flip the armrest back, you put your cushions back, right back into a sofa. Rear bath on this. So you're gonna have a nice rear bath setup in here. You got your shower, your toilet, your sink, your medicine cabinet, all the things you need in a bathroom. So a couple of things I want to talk about on this. You got that 6,000 watt diesel generator. Now you can get upgraded solar on this. You have 100 watts standard, but say you want 500 because you want to suck up all that sun. You can do that. It's the Solar Plus package. You're going to get additional panels, bringing that up to 500 watts of solar charging, and you're going to get 2 additional house batteries. This is also 50 amp coach, 1800 watt inverter, and it looks awesome. Looks awesome. I'll tell you what, if they remade the A-Team today, you know, in Hannibal, in Face, in BA Baracus, because I pity the fool who doesn't drive Magnitude, would drive this, because this is way cooler than the van. This has the stealth package. Can't you see solving mysteries with the A-Team in this? This thing is beautiful. Blacked out wheels and logos. It's awesome, and all kinds of storage for you. You got propane there. Propane connection right down here, so if you want to bring a grill or a griddle, you could probably store that right in there, right? Fresh water fill on this, and then right over here you have a hose, so you can hose off whatever it is you need. TV. Look at that. Watch a little TV out here. Watch reruns of the A-Team, or I Dream of Jeannie, or Bewitched. Uh-oh, Jeannie or Samantha? Leave your comments below. Jeannie guy myself, hands down. Tom, Jeannie or Samantha?
Samantha.
Oh my God, I guess I can continue to work with you. You're a good guy. Samantha's got her own thing though. She's got some witchy qualities going on I really enjoy. House battery is right there. Cameras right here. That's the other thing. This has side view cameras on here, and then running boards to climb inside. All right. We talked about your length, your occupant and cargo carrying capacity. 3,001 pound on this particular AX29 F550 chassis. This is the AX29. Let's take it in all of its glory, Tom. That is a beautiful coach. It is the Magnitude AX29, and you can build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.